We also talk about great wine accessories. And today, since it's a celebration of Temp-tations, we are going to talk to you about a set of 4 stemless wine glasses. Now, this is something you have been asking for. We would love it from Tara, please. And she responded, as she always does. It's the first day at this price of $29.12. Hey, girlfriend.
Oh, hey,
how you doing, Tara Tesher? Good to see you.
Mm-hmm. You know on one of our microfiber towels, it says, "Hey, pumpkin," and that says, "It's fall, y'all." And I did it in your voice, and I was like, "Hey, pumpkin." It's
hey,
fall, y'all. I
pumpkin.
was like, "Okay,
Hey,
that's
fall, y'all. Okay, stop.
I don't know where that happened.
You know what? These.
Oh, we're dancing.
I know. I do a little sachet at my shows. This is a big day to celebrate Temp-tations because they are our today special value. But when it comes to stemless wine glasses. First of all, you don't want to spill it because it's precious on the inside. But we also get to celebrate our favorite patterns and colors from Temp-tations,
And what's nice is we mix them. So this is what we call our classics. So we take Old World, we take Floral Lace, and we put them together. And so the only thing you're picking is your color. So whether you're picking the red, you're picking the blue, the confetti, the black, or the green, the pattern is beautiful. They're dishwasher safe. We do recommend that you hand wash them. I usually hand wash most of my glass, but they can be put in the dishwasher on the top rack if you need to. So we have been asked constantly for drinkware. We've done it in stoneware before. We've done some goblets, but these were kind of those multi-purpose everyday. Yes, they're stemless wine, but there's so many other things that you can use them for. And I just love the fact that, again, the silhouette, they're 15 ounces in capacity, and they're nice and thick, which is really nice. A lot of times you'll go to those stores and you get the stemless wine glasses, and they're so thin.
And they make a weird noise.
You think they're going to crack as soon as you do anything with them.
Totally.
So I love the way these turned out.
So we have them in red.
Yes, we do.
I know you were just showing us the confetti, which I think, oh my gosh.
Look how fun that is.
These have got to be all over your table at your house.
Yes, they are.
Oh my gosh.
I'll send some pictures.
This just speaks Tara to me. Then
so fun.
In front of the red on the table, we have that pretty blue, which I think is a great year-round offering.
It's such a fun cobalt blue too. And if you're picking up more than one set, look at how much fun you can have kind of mixing and matching all of these. I love that. I love layering kind of in all those different colors.
Great segue into the green. Look at that red and green on your holiday table. If you got the festive, today's special value.
Beautiful. Even poinsettia. This would be beautiful with that. And the holiday.
And Stacy's color. We love that she collects the black in Temp-tations. But this is H219330. This price goes up at the end of the day.
Okay.
This is also the first day this month that they are presented on 6 easy payments.
That.
6.
And the first time we've ever done it.
I know, right? So if you were to pick up 2 sets, like we were encouraging folks to do, and your budget allows you to do so, of course, you could spend about $10 a month to get 2 sets home on Easy Pay. So it's a great day to shop. And if I were a wine glass, I would be this one because, you know, it's low to the ground. But this is where but I love the fact that you have left us enough of the glassware so that we can really showcase what's on the inside too.
Well, that's the whole thing, right? When we're talking about our stoneware pieces, as beautiful as they are, and this is a carafe and 4 tumblers that we have available, there's something about being able to see the liquids that you are drinking. And these don't have to be for wine. They're just a beautiful portable glass that I love. Again, the silhouette of when you're using it. I have to show you this. So stinking cute. So first of all, this is our lit pitcher. If you haven't seen this, it's amazing. Yes, it's battery operated, but yet it's still have you not seen this?
I haven't seen that.
I'll show you after the show. But look what we did. We did some cute little milk and cookies for Santa. So again, and what I love putting the white in there is that that pattern absolutely comes to life. So there you can truly appreciate no matter which way you're looking at it. Isn't that adorable?
Look at the cookies
Today's
for
special
Santa.
Value.
This is one of the liddits. It's the divided liddet in the Today's Special Value. But look at the little cupcakes and the tree brownies.
Do you see the little reindeer cupcakes? Now, do you want to see other cuteness overload? Take a peek at the front ledge.
I can't deal.
I have to because these are so fun. Look we layered them in with some of those inflatable pieces that you can put in your pool. They're just about out and about having fun and great drinkware that coordinates back to the pieces you've been collecting.
Remember too, we've been asking for this set. Each glass, it holds about how much?
15 ounces.
15 ounces,
to the top. I don't think we ever really fill them that far, but yeah, it's a nice generous size there. Oh, sorry. Speak for yourself.
Some of us don't like to make 2 trips. So we do have the green, we have the black, we have the confetti, we have the red, and we also have the blue. Set of 4 for $29.12. First day presented at this price. These were just new at the end of August. Price goes up end of day, and it's the first day this month presented on those 6 easy payments. We recommend hand wash here.
Yes, please.
So, Tara, my friend,
thank you. This was
Hugging
awesome.
you again.
Thank you. I love that. Thank you for sharing the Today's Special Value.
Oh my gosh,
love. Thank you,
know
everybody.
what, Tara, we get to see you again very soon.
Oh, I have a full 1 hour show at 3 p.m. with
Thank
Alberti.
you,
Tune in.
Alberti.
He calls us a dynamic duo.
You know what, Alberti, I love my Berti. You know what?